Hey everyone, Alex Quinn here with Arkin RV Edmonton. Today we're going over Forest River's latest product launch. This is the unmapped 24RK. I almost want to think of this as in between Surveyor and Arpod. It's honestly pretty sweet. And let's just dive into it because I'm excited to show you. So here we're gonna have nice pass-through storage, slam latch, dual entry on this. One to the bedroom there, one side, but what I really want to talk about is the Trailgate. This is pretty freaking sick. You can actually access everything here. You can hang out, have some drinks, have some food. You know, if you have a good partner or some good friends, you know, you can kind of hang out while you do all the cooking. They can make you some drinks. They can pull it down. You can play a deck of cards here. I think it's really cool. And it all just kind of props back up here too. So when you're done with it, it just locks in place. You close it, you have a dual screen, and it's reflective as well. Kind of your bar to table, as they would call it. You have an outside kitchen here, aluminum wheels. You have a massive power awning that protects both door entrances, as well as a 400-watt solar package up top from factory, which is massive. So you can do a lot with this. So 400 watts up top, Asdale construction on this still as well. So we have our nice plush theater seats here. This here is their new bar to table. It's a pull-out dinette, and it just kind of folds up in place and just kind of tucks away here. And when you're not using this, well, then you can turn these chairs, and this can be an office space too. You have plenty of kitchen countertop space in here. There's more kitchen countertop space in here than my own house. You have a 12-volt TV. You're gonna have blackout blinds. You're gonna have a built-in central vac system in here as well. Nice large sink, 12-volt refrigerator, 10 cubic foot. You can see that, nice and spacious. Plenty of space for pantry as well. Not to mention, this trailer is gonna be equipped with the heated enclosed underbelly with 12-volt tank pad heaters on them as well. Built-in AC, furnace, you name it. Over here, you're gonna have your 30 amp charge controller set up, access to your Bluetooth. You have your awning, your porch lights are all digital accessible here. A spacious bathroom that if you need to access it from the main bedroom, you can. Lots of space for towels. Nice clean trim. Here's your tank control. Here's your tank pad heaters. This is your Suburban on-demand hot water. And up front here, you're gonna have your own master bedroom here with a custom king bed. Plenty of closet space. You have a nightstand up top here. Nice, big, beautiful front window. Looks absolutely gorgeous. Space up top here for any supplies or any additional maybe gear you want to put up there. It's actually pretty spacious. And that's just a little sneak peek of the all-new 2026 unmapped 24RK model. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys.